ANMs of Reddy Pradesh have just completed one national level training, and in the training they have come across they are covering ANMs under health insurance scheme. This is the one issue. Second issue is they are demanding, they are additionally protesting for their low wages package, which lowers than the state declares the minimum wages. So these are the two issues. The strike, they are going on a strike. So strikes will impact on both the IPD, then the OPD regular services of Reddy Pradesh, then measles and rubella vaccination campaign, and the training of Ayushman Arogya Mandir. So अभी हम लोग अभी एक मीटिंग जो अरेंज किया उसका सीन वन विल बी प्रेजेंटिंग सीन वन. So meeting with the SPM under the chairmanship of SPM Reddy Pradesh with the following officials. Then SPM, then IEC BCC, then HR consultant, finance consultant, then consultant for training, then legal consultant and SBO immunizations. So scene one.
So good afternoon all of you. As all of you are aware that this is a very important meeting, that the ANMs are proceeding on strike, and due to their certain demands which are genuine also, they are asking for insurance coverage as it is being provided in other states, as well as their salary package is also lower than the minimum wage. So all of you, all the relevant persons have been called. Not all the SPMU members have been called. All you are very important. Our core team members have been called for your suggestions, opinions, so that we should ready with our plan. What should be our course of action and what the secondary option we should consider. So I think all of you are present. So the first nodal officer, human resource. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, then ICBCC officer.
Yes, sir.
Consultant training,
Yes, sir.
the finance officer,
Yes, sir.
the consultant legal,
Yes, sir.
and the program officer immunization. Okay, so now all of you will have, considering the situation, you all have to give your idea how to go about it.
We are saying we are not paying them as much as we should be. So we should try to raise their minimum wages on par with the minimum wages that are currently in place.
Okay, so and what about their insurance coverage?
For insurance, sir, we may send the proposal to Government of India or we may request the state to fund them, sir.
सर और एक चीज है सैलरी तो एक साथ उतना ज़्यादा बढ़ा नहीं सकते क्योंकि अरबी में अप्रूवल भी नहीं होगा सर. 9,000 मिल रहा है एटलीस्ट 14-15,000 करेंगे तो यू कैन गो फेज वाइज. अगर आप उस तरह से प्रपोज करें वो हम सोच सकते हैं कि मैक्सिमम 20%.
So all of you are at opinion that we should consider their both proposals, increment of
Sir, rationalization of salary के लिए PAP में मिल जाएगा हमें.
Okay. So we should agree to consider both their proposals, and we should consult DPMs as well, district level first. We should, I am at opinion that we should first motivate them, because DPM, we should conduct VC with DPMs, and then we should try to motivate them. We try to differ the situations, and then let's see, then we can take whatever suggestions you have come up with.
Immunization officer, आपका problem है.
So you can tell this, your RI campaign, this MR campaign is scheduled to be held. So do you think this need, how to go about it in such situations?
I would suggest that immunization officer can also involve the nursing college students to involve in the MR vaccination. And even we can involve the ANMs, rest of the 60% ANMs also, and we should rationalize them and involve in the campaign so that it won't be affected. And even ANM training also we can reschedule, sir. These are my points.
So okay, so thank you for all of you for your time and suggestions. Now we will conduct VC with DPMs.
We have created the minutes and we have sent to the districts. Sent to the SPMU consultants. Okay, next. Scene 2. This is VC with the DPMs under the chairmanship of SPM.
So good afternoon, all of you. So ANMs are proceeding on a strike. About 40% of ANMs are proceeding on a strike due to their demanding increment of their salary, because that is lower than the minimum wage of the states. And second, they are demanding for insurance coverage that it is being provided in other states. So we had convened a meeting just now with SPMU members, and they were opinions that we should consider their proposal, but considering the timeline, see the PIP has already been submitted, and it will only be considered during next financial year. So I would request you all to kindly go to those ANMs, call a small meetings with them and motivate them that of their demands are genuine, but these will be considered subject to the approval of PIP. So till then our services, regular services, OPD, IPD services, and then the AMR campaign, this should not be hampered. So my request to all of you is to kindly go have a dialogue with them, meet them, motivate them, and then report to me.
सर एक चीज कल बोलना है सर, एक्चुअली ये लोग बार बार आ रहे हैं यहाँ पर चिट्ठियाँ दे रहे हैं, आप एक बार न्यूज में या मीडिया में अगर बता दें कि सबके पास एक साथ न्यूज चला जाए तो वो सुविधा रहेगा सर.
We'll discuss it with MD Madam, and then I think MD Madam is the right person, and she is the authorized to convene such media dialogue and media briefing. So I think MD Madam will do so. Thank you.
Sir, DPMs को कुछ salary बढ़ोगे क्या?
See, this HR is a very, we'll have to in such situation will deal very tactfully. First, we should consider those who are under lower minimum wage.
We are in the eye of the storm.
So, but you are the torch bearer also, so you should be leading the district from front. So in such situation, you should not raise your voice, rather you should support us and have a dialogue with our,
Yes, sir. Instructions of SPM, sir. Noted, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. C3.
MD will be addressing media now.
News. Can I speak in Telugu? Can't understand.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
న్యూస్ వాళ్ళందరూ వచ్చినట్టున్నారు. సరే, అయితే ఎవరు ప్యానిక్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదండి. ఎందుకంటే ఎప్పుడైనా కూడా ఛాలెంజెస్ తీసుకోవడానికి హెల్త్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ రెడీగా ఉంటుంది. సో సాలరీస్ మనం ఇట్లా అనుకుంటున్నాం కానీ వేరే స్టేట్లలో ఇంకా తక్కువ ఇస్తున్నారు. ఎస్పీఎం మిగిలిన స్టేట్లలో ఎంత ఇస్తున్నారు కనుక్కున్నారా మీరు అసలు? I think we ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं, हम ही ज़्यादा दे रहे हैं. So they should find any excuse to skip them from their work. ऐसा करो कि यूनियन वालों को बुला दो, जो भी है. We'll have a discussion with them, and then we'll decide what has to be done. But this is not the situation. మనకు అందరికి తెలిసి ఇప్పుడు మీజిల్స్ క్యాంపెయిన్ ఉంది, వ్యాక్సినేషన్ ఉంది. సో ఇలాంటి టైంలో ఫీల్డ్ స్టాఫ్ రివోర్ట్ చేయడం అనేది కరెక్ట్ పద్ధతి కాదు. సో దే కెన్ డూ దిస్ వెన్ ఎవర్ దే థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. సో ఖచ్చితంగా మనం దీన్ని ఖండిస్తున్నాము, అండ్ ప్రజలందరూ కూడా ఆందోళన చెందాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ అరేంజ్మెంట్స్ అనేది గవర్నమెంట్ ఎప్పుడు చేస్తుంది. సో అకార్డింగ్ టు ద ఆల్టర్నేట్ అరేంజ్మెంట్ ఎవరైతే 60% ఆఫ్ ద ఉన్నారో స్టాఫ్ వాళ్ళని రీఅలొకేట్ చేస్తాము, అండ్ దెన్ విల్ ట్రై టు హ్యాండిల్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్. అండ్ కామన్ మ్యాన్ కి ప్యానిక్ అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. అండ్ ద డిఐఓ షుడ్ టేక్ ద యాక్టివ్ స్టెప్స్ టు రీఅలొకేట్ ANMs in concert with the district medical officers of the state, and then you can plan a team wise activity so that we can go ahead. SPM గారు మీరు DPMలని ఛాన్స్ ఇస్తున్నారు ఎందుకంటే వాళ్ళు జీతాలు అడిగేటట్టుగా ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ లో దిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ద కరెక్ట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ టు ఆస్క్ దేర్ ఫర్ hike of their salaries. This is a crisis situation, we should handle it, rather you should not allow such practices. So we'll handle the situation. ETV Amma, you Raiman only correct Rai. And then this Sakshi TV, oh, आप भी लिख लो जो भी ग्राउंड रियलिटी है वही लिखो, आप थोड़ा मिर्ची मसाला डाल के नहीं लिखना, ठीक है? We'll handle the situation.
Thank you.